Hey everybody, it is Thursday and we are going to be doing some math. I'm super excited because we're going to do something um a little different that I found. So today we are going to be doing some review of showing different ways that we can make 10, and we are going to still be doing everything that we were doing before. We will still be using our tens frames. Um, and we'll still be coming up with our answers using that strategy. As you can see, I have over here some of the things that you'll be doing. So you get a little sneak peek because I had to record my whole screen to have everything on the screen that I wanted to show and do with you guys today. So I found these things online and they are called boom cards. I'm not sure how they got their name, but if you want to submit your guess to why you think they're called boom cards, I would love to know what you guys think. Um, but it's so cool, it's so cute, it's like a little game, and I found different kinds. I found this unicorn one and this one with little penguins. Um, So we are just going to walk through these and we are going to practice using our boom cards different ways that we can make 10. So we're going to start with our unicorn ones. Um, so I'm going to start you down here with this equation. Remember, an equation is when we are adding or subtracting two numbers and we have our equal sign and our answer. So we're going to start for this one on our equation. So it says 2 plus, that's a plus sign. Is this a number? No. So that is an unknown. That means that we have no idea what this number is yet. So 2 plus something equals 10. Well, we want to figure out what this something is. We don't want to just leave it like that. We want to know what that number is. So we're going to use this tens frame right here. 2, right here, this number 2 is represented by these two cute little stars. 1, 2, here's my 2. Plus something. So we're going to add in all of these blank squares because we know that if all of these are full, then that's 10. And we know that's 10 because that's a tens frame. So it must equal 10. So 2 plus something. Let's figure out that something. So you have two strategies, two ways that you can do this. You can count each one and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and get your answer. And that answer is 8, and that is absolutely fine if that is the strategy that you need to do. But what we are going to practice today is grouping numbers up. And what I mean by that is if you know that this entire bottom row right here is empty, then you know that that is worth how much right here? How many is that? 5. Yeah, you shouldn't have to count them. You should know by now that this bottom part of the tens frame is 5. Will always be 5. So this is 5. You don't have to count those. You can just start up here and count up. So you'd say 5, 6, 7, 8. And you would get your answer 8. That way is just more efficient, which means it's just faster than counting one by one. Okay, let's see, how do we do this? So this is my answer. I'm going to click this button. It says submit answer. Ding, got it right. Oh, that's fun. Okay, how many more? This one is 3. Here are my 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Plus something. Uh-oh, that's my unknown. Equals 10. Like I said, we know that it equals 10 because a full tens frame is 10. Here's my first part, my 3. I can see that easily right here. And we're going to figure out this second part. How many is this worth down here at the bottom? Absolutely, that's worth 5. And then we just count up. 5, 6, 7. Let's check our answer and see if that's right. Love it. Oh, this is so fun. Interesting. I wonder if you can do this one on your own. Try to do that, or not on your own, but I wonder how quickly you can do this one. See if you can figure it out. I'm going to give you just a second. 1, here's my 1, plus something, unknown number. 1 plus something equals 10. How many is this worth? What do you think? Okay, let's see if you were right. So I'm going to walk through it. I'm going to say, okay, the bottom row right here is worth 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Did you guys get 9? Hope so. All right. Oh, interesting. Here's my next one. 4. There are my 4 stars represented right there. Plus some number equals 10. What number is going to go with 4 to equal 10? You have your 4 here. You have the bottom part and this, which is 5 and 1. 5 and 1 make 6. 6 is our unknown. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Fun. Okay, I'm going to go through this one super quick. This is 8. I already know that my picture represents the number 8 plus something equals 10. What's our missing part? 2. You should have got that one super quick because all you're doing is filling in these missing parts the same way we're filling in this missing number. And I know that you can look at this super quick and say, oh, Miss Gaines, that's 2. I don't have to count that. Oh, I wonder if you can do this one super quick in your head too. That's subitizing, when you can look at something and know how many are there. Subitizing may just be with dots, but we're going to say it's subitizing for our squares too. 6 plus something equals 10. Well, there are my 6. 6 plus what number equals 10? 4. Good job. We did this one a minute ago too, except it was 4 plus 6. Doesn't matter what order, but in order to match the pictures, the 4 would have to be the 4 stars, and the 6 would be the 6 blanks. But either way, still going to get that answer of 10. I wonder how quickly you can do this one. 5 plus equals 10. How many? Yeah, because you know that this bottom row is worth how much? Well, yeah, and the top row. Did some of you say that? I bet you did. Yeah, the bottom row is worth 5, and the top row is worth 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. I love these, in small groups. These are some of my favorites because they always trick some of you guys up. How many more make 10? Okay, 10, here are my 10 stars, plus what equals 10? How many more do you need to fill this tens frame up? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You don't need any more. It's already full. Okay, 2 more. What if you couldn't see this number? Could you figure out how many stars are there? Yeah, you could say 5 stars plus these 2 right here. 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. 7 plus some unknown equals 10. 7 plus how many equals 10? Good job. You guys are so good at this. Last one. They must have saved the easiest one for last. Can you guys help me out with this one super quick? 9 plus some unknown number equals 10. How many does 9 need to be added to it to be 10 total? Yeah, just 1 right there. Submit. Let's see what happens when we're finished. End. Is that all? That was anticlimactic. I was hoping it was going to give us like a big hooray. All right, let's do just a couple of these. Let's see if we can do these quickly. 7 plus something. Oh, this time it didn't give me a big box to put my unknown number in. It just gave me this line. 7 plus something equals 10. How many do I need to go with 7? 3. 10 plus something equals 10. How many more do I need? 0. It's already full. 9 plus something equals 10. How many more does it need to have that tens frame full? Great job, guys. Just 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 8 plus something equals 10. How many does 8 need to equal 10? 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 6 plus something equals 10. Here are my 6 ice cubes. How many more ice cubes will we need to equal 10? 6 plus how many? 4. And you could have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, or you could have even said, oh, Miss Goodness, I know that this entire row is worth 5, but this one's already full, so I'm just going to go down 1. So instead of 5, it's going to be 4. Good job. Oh, how many is this bottom row and the top row? But how many is the full row worth? How many, guys? Great job. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Cute little penguins. This one will take a little bit of time. 3 plus something equals 10. What's 3's partner number that's going to give him 10? How many is that bottom row worth? Good job. 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, let's do this one. 4 plus some number is going to give me 10. What number can I add to 4 to get 10? There my 4. How many is this bottom row worth? 5 plus 1 more is 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay, we have 2 more. 2, there are my 2 ice cubes. 2 plus something equals 10. How many is this bottom row worth? Because I got to fill them all up. So that's 5. I don't even have to count it. 5. Let's count up. 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Interesting. Last one. 1. Oh, cool. I didn't know it would make a square around it. 1. Oh, didn't know what was going to happen with that. 1 plus something equals 10. How many of these cubes do I need to fill up? Let's see. How many is this worth down here? Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Great job, guys. You did an absolutely fantastic job of showing all of the different ways to make 10. See you hopefully as soon as possible in one of our Google Meets. Have a great rest of your day, guys.